I'm waiting on you.
Hi people, this is Jam Tours Africa again, and today my husband decided to, bring me to a different place than the places he has been taking me. Apparently, I've visited some, few malls in Ghana. Yeah, we visited the Junction Mall, Accra Mall, and the Palace Mall. And so today, out of the blues, he was like, let's visit the ANC Mall, and I like what I see. I'm so impressed with what I'm seeing. I guess it's the best mall I've been, in the few days that I've been here. And yes, so currently we are at the ANC Mall, and Bubu, introduce yourself for us again.
Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. Today we're in the ANC Mall. Just come to eat, to look around, to shop. It's a Friday evening, so that's what we do on a Friday on the weekend. Just get out and, get a better fresh air and to do things that you like to do, family. So we're at the ANC Mall and we're just gonna go around, go into a few stores, see what we can get, then we go and eat at the food court. Yeah, family.
Baby Hamesh is sleeping.
Yes.
And yeah, so we're gonna show you what we are going to, discover new that is here that we've not seen in other malls. Yes, so join us in the short discovery. So as you can see on my right, there's a kids park. It's a very big kids park here where you can come with your kids. You'll feel very comfortable because there's a place for kids to hang out, play. As people are having a good time inside the mall. There's a kids park here just for ages 1 to 8 years old. And yes, so but apparently we can't enter since Hamesh is too small for this. And yeah, so the charges are affordable, as you can see there. Charges are very affordable.
Yes, as you can see, the kids are playing there.
So nice.
Yeah, it doesn't look so actually put together.
Yeah.
In other malls, it's just a small thing, but this one is very.
This one is a bit, it's spacious, I think.
Yeah,
It's a
spacious.
wide space for a lot of things, a lot of activities. So
You even have a police post. That's a police post there. So for safety, there is a police post. ANC Mall.
So nice and big.
Yeah.
I really, love it and recommend it. Maybe when you're coming to Ghana.
Yeah, when you come to Ghana, this is the mall you have to check, and it's worse if you come with your family.
If you have a kid,
If you come with your family, then this is very a good spot to come, as you can see. As you can see, it's a very good spot. Tap and Pay. It's a fitness club right there. There you have a fitness club.
I guess it really has a varieties of things to offer.
Yeah, there's so much to offer.
Not just eating, but even the activities part of it.
Yeah, it's a
so
fun
nice.
place. You can
Yeah.
come and actually just spend the day with your kids.
Yes.
And they enjoy family. So, that's what we like about this. When you're actually in East Legon, this is where you'll go. So if you're on the East Legon side, you'll actually go to this, come to this mall, ANC Mall. So we're gonna say we get some ketenge in Udini, right? Just push. Wow, they have so nice fabric. 6 yards is for 340. See this. Hello. I like that one though. That one, the zebra. Zebra. Yeah. You like it? So can I just buy that for myself then and then give your mom the other one? You don't like it? It's nice. Okay. Maybe this one, eh? Eh? This one. Yeah. That one is nice too. You don't like that one? So what about these others over here? I have a lot of variety. Well, there's some nice one down there at the bottom there. Look down. Even this one is nice, that one there. Burgundy. The one right there. Burgundy, yeah. What about that one in the middle there? Yeah, this one. Even that one there in the middle. That. Yeah, that one is nice. I think that one is very nice too. That one that you have there. Okay. Alright. So take out my one and show them. So family, I like this and I'm gonna make an entire suit out of this. It looks so nice. With zebra on it. You know, a lot of zebras in Kenya.
Isn't in East Africa?
Yeah.
We have a lot in Kenya, so
Yeah.
it's nice.
Yes, family. So let's go. Can manage to put it in. When you come to Ghana, family, and you want to get good fabric,
Please come to Udine.
you can check out Udine. Udini. In Jamaica, we say the girl them a call we Mr. Udini. Anywhere we go, the sexy girl them need we. So let's go. Udini. Let's go upstairs. Let's go on that side. I think the stairs here, see? Right there. family, so we're now at the food court, as you can see. But I just like the sign here, this crypto sign that it says Binance, buy and trade crypto. So, and I didn't know a supermarket was here, family. So down there is a supermarket. We go and check it out, see what we can get. But this is a store that I see online. This 500 store. I saw it on Instagram. And I saw there's some international people from Ghana doing this 500 store. I always see this girl online. Who is it? So you can come and promote them, guys. So you need a logo with the Ghana sign on your hat. You can go and promote them at 500. Well, let's go. I never go on this side yet. Let me see. Yes, you can see out in the, see on the outside.
Some reason I'm getting some nice fresh air.
Yeah.
Some very nice fresh air here. I really like the place.
It's nice.
Yeah, it looks so nice.
So we're gonna go and try. We can find some food at the food court. Yeah. So family, I'd stop at Morgani from Nature with Love. This is a vegetable. It's a vegetable pie. Or in Jamaica we say vegetable patty. So nice. Enjoying it?
Yeah.
Very nice. So if you're a vegetarian, you come to Morgani from Nature with Love.
This sugarcane, lime, and beetroot.
Yes. Hey family, so we're actually in the supermarket. What's the name of the supermarket?
To be honest, I didn't see.
Yeah, but it's a new name. It's not like ShopRite or Palace Mall. It's a different supermarket. But I really like it because I can get a lot of vegan stuff here, family. See, I get some nice dates, and I get some lentils, and I get some Brazil nuts, and there's walnuts, and there's so much things here. So I really like this supermarket. When I'm in Ghana, this is where I'll be shopping, family. So I really kind of like it. So it has a variety. It's the best I ever see. Even the cereals, yeah. They have a variety of stuff. Chickpeas and everything. So I really like this. Yeah, I really like this. So I will actually, I'll look at the name.
Yeah,
I'm coming.
check on the name, so.
Yeah. But I always been to ANC Mall and I never like look for a supermarket.
Yeah, me too. But
And maybe because I was with a family, so it's like that.
The other day you were by yourself, so.
Yeah. So,
I thought you
so let's go, guys. Let's shop with us in Ghana.